Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this tutorial I would like to show you the way how I edit my picture in 2023. So mostly in this year I use the Picsart application to edit my photo, so you just need to go click it. If you have no Picsart applications yet, you just need to go into the App Store and get one installed for you. And after that, I just need to go into the inspiring part here in the home section, and you just need to scrolling down until you found the inspiring edit that you want to have for your picture. For example, I already got one. I would like to make this type of picture, so you just need to choose my photo, and then you just need to choose the photo that you want to use for this editing. For example, let's do it this, and after that you just need to follow the instruction. You can go just next. If you already satisfied with this editing, you can directly download it into this section. But then if you want to follow the next step, you just need to go back or go next. If you also satisfied it, you just need to go next again until the editing step is finished. And this is the result from the inspiring template that we got from the Picsart. And whenever you like this picture, you just need to easily download it, and now you already have this picture on your photo library. So that's the simplest way for me to edit my picture in 2023. Hopefully this tutorial is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.